Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cheese, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. Thank you for coming back. And if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping and thank you for clicking this video, and I hope to see you more and more as a subscriber. So without talking too much, today's video is going to be how I create mini vlogs. So today's video is going to be how I create mini vlogs, and I've gotten a couple of questions asking me how I create mini vlogs on Instagram. Should I make Instagram reels? I don't know if there's a difference between Instagram reels and mini vlogs. They are reels though, but then I create mini vlogs and I create daily vlogs and on Instagram as Instagram reels. I know that it makes sense, but then let me stop confusing myself and tell you guys that I'm just going to teach you how to make these videos, because I get a couple of questions, people asking me how do you make these videos. So I decided to teach you guys how I make these videos. And before we go right into the video, I just want to tell you, if you're new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. You are really welcome, and just help me grow my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you. So let's go right into how to create mini vlogs. Let's just jump right into the video. First, this is how I like to place my selfie stick to get my waking up scenes. But before that, the most important thing is how you set your camera. And personally, due to space, I prefer to use the HD60, but if you can use the 4K 30 or 4K 24, which is very good. Now for my waking up scenes, I try out a lot of poses, because sometimes the pose you think is best actually doesn't come out well for what you're trying to do, and I prefer to just set my camera and keep trying out different poses, keep waking up and going back to bed. As funny as it sounds, yeah, I just keep doing that, and I prefer to just leave my camera on or rolling while I go ahead and do everything else I want to do concerning that scene. Maybe dress my bed if it needs that position. Now the best part to get videos for your video is to just video everything going on in your day. And then yeah, I forgot to mention that the camera shutter is the best thing you need for reels, because you don't always want to go front and back touching your phone and all that. This is just me trying to video up me wearing my slippers out of my bed after waking up. Like I say, I tried a lot of scenes, even though I don't end up using all of them. Now for those who are trying to get this dark aesthetic scene in that you see a lot of people do, the best thing is when you place your hand on your phone and you lock your phone, you drag the lightning down. Now you have to lock it because you're going to be making a movement and you don't want your phone to go blurry and coming back, so you need it to be set. Then when you drag it down a bit, it gets darker. You can drag it down to how much dark you want it to be. You want it to be much darker, you want it to be a bit darker, whichever way. Now I do this sometimes, but not all my videos need this kind of aesthetic, and it's really pretty though. It's really pretty, and it helps reduce a lot of editing things when you're making videos. And now I'll be going to my Instagram to show you guys where I get songs from. Now I'll be putting up different people's Instagram handle to show you guys where I actually get my songs from. I basically just watch other creators and see what they do, and then try it out and see if I like it. And whenever I'm just going to Instagram and I see a song I like, I save it so that when I want to create a reel, I just go back, or once got a mini vlog, I just go back and look at it and try it out. So this is just me watching different videos that I saved up already, and I'll be trying them out. So I screen record the sounds, even though I save the songs too. I screen record the sounds separately, then I save the songs to my phone, or to the Instagram rather. And now to the most important part of this video, which is the editing process. On a normal day, it doesn't take me more than 30 minutes to edit my reels, except if I'm trying to get like a totally different thing or I'm trying out something new. But then when you open the Capcut app, all you need to do is to tap all the videos that you created throughout the day. And before I forgot, if you're trying to create a reel or a mini vlog that involves your entire day, it's basically just video what you're doing the entire day and add it to your phone. And when you want to edit it on Capcut, you just clip. So you just tap every single video you've made and add it on Capcut. Now to the editing process. Personally for me, once I'm done adding all my videos or my clips, I add the song next. Now I do this so that as I'm editing the video, I know the beats I'm trying to follow, I know the song I'm trying to follow, if it needs something, going back and front, if it needs to be fast, if it needs to be slow. And then I go ahead and cut out the parts that I need for my video. This is a very important part because you need to be thorough, need to go back and front, check it is what you want, try it out several times, see if it's rhyming with the beats, and that's just how you get this video. You can see me checking how my pillow is entering the video and how it's going out, where I need to cut out. That's just the best way to get your video. You need to keep trying until you get the exact position you want for your video. That's why I say just get a lot of videos and then edit it in Capcut, cut it in Capcut, because you might think you got a good video and then when you need it for the song or the sound that you need to make your mini vlog, it doesn't rhyme anymore. So this is just me trying out, working out and working in. And like I said, I try this a lot of time. It takes me about 30 minutes to edit my mini vlogs, and sometimes more. And also, because this video is for YouTube, I didn't want to use a trending song so that I won't have any problems with my YouTube videos. I said to use the one that had words in it, or the video that had words in it as the audio for my mini vlog. But I will be putting a clip of a video I did with a trending song. Hopefully I don't have an issue with it. I'll try to find a way around the song at the end of this video.
Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the redirection. You know what I mean? Sometimes that is the blessing itself, and oftentimes we look at it like, oh, this sucks, this is so bad. But you realize later how necessary that redirection was, and it could be something that you never imagined. Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the imagined. Sometimes the big it could be something that you never redirection was, and it could be something. Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the redirection. You know what I mean? Sometimes that is the blessing itself, and oftentimes we look at it like, oh, this sucks, this is so bad. But you realize later how necessary that redirection was, and it could be something that you never imagined. Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the redirection. You know what I mean? Sometimes that is the blessing itself, and oftentimes we look at it like, oh, this sucks, this is so bad. But
So for exporting, I export in 2K or 4K 30, but sometimes I also export in the 180 30. And when I'm done exporting, I'm going to tell you guys how to add those words that you see people add on their YouTube channel. So you have to first export the video with the audio and then import it back to Capcut. And then next you have to click on text and then you tap on generate auto captions. Now it generates the auto captions for you, and you go back and edit the auto captions. Now this is a bit easy. All you need to go is tap on the caption, tap on style. You see the front, style, effect, animation, bubble. Now I change the front first of all, because if I don't like the front, I would just will not like it. I change the front, I change the animation, and I also go back and forth with this because I change it a lot of times to see if it's rhyming to what I want, and I also check if the words are what I want. And this is the outcome of it.
Sometimes the biggest blessing is in the redirection. You know what I mean? Sometimes that is the blessing itself, and oftentimes we look at it like, oh, this sucks, this is so bad. But you realize later how necessary that redirection was, and it could be something that you never imagined.